Come on, give it hell. I want to know how you ended up in this tree.
I was trying to just back it up.
Here, hold on.
Back it up.
Okay, slowly. Slow, that's not slow. There you go. Slow. Slow, come on. Just gas it just a little bit. I'm a little scared to get near you right now.
I told you my phone was hard.
Okay, hold on. You're still in reverse. Here, put your foot on the brake. Foot on the brake.
Here. Oh my God.
Please don't go in the trees.
Okay.
Again.
Let's put it in the garage.
Yeah, let's get this in reverse.
Okay, where we at here?
You got it?
I think so. No.
You gotta turn, you gotta.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God, I was like, dude, you so fucking sure.
Hey, she went straight and